Okay, so now today I will introduce the newly created robotic tank with 4 joint arms, robotic arms, and with a metal claw. This is a tank, and it has 2 DC motor, 370 DC motor, which the voltage is 9 around. The voltage is 9 to give the power of this 370 DC motor. They are very powerful to give the power to give the power to the tank. And it has 4 wheels, and this you can see this wheel is the motor wheel, which connected with the DC motor, and the other 3 wheels are the supplement wheel, and you can see here. And the robotic arms, it has 4 joints and 4 servo, which will give it a very easy to control the left, right, and the open and close of the claw. So here, let's have a look. This is a toy. I just for my son. He feel very interesting about this toy, and I just created it for him. So this is a chicken, I think. Maybe they're playing the guitar. So this tank power supply with 4 battery, the lithium battery, 18650 battery, lithium battery. And you can see here, this 2 battery is connected with this module is to stabilize the voltage into 5. Those are 2 lithium batteries. Voltage is 8.4, and to stabilize, to reduce the power, the voltage into 5, and the 5 voltage will connect to the extension here, just the extension plate, which this extension plate has a function of give the power supply and signal to the robotic arms. 4 servo connected with on the extension board, and here is a PS4 signal receiver, which just connect with this PS4 joystick. This receiver just connect to the extension board to control the robotic arms and the tank's forward, backward, left and right, turn left and turn right. So this battery is a dedicated battery supply to this power supply to this robotic arms, to give it a steady power supply to these arms. Okay, now let's have a look. And here, this side, those two battery give also the same 2 battery and connected to the voltage meter to see how much voltage left, to protect the lithium battery from over drainage of the battery, to damage the battery, to avoid damage this battery. And here, this is connected to the power supply to the extension board, and under the extension board is a Arduino motherboard, and my source code just uploaded into this Arduino motherboard to give the program control this servo and control the DC engine, DC motor, to give the control. I just uploaded the source code, which is written with the C language, to control. This is a control center to control the robotic arms and the DC engine. And okay. So I will connect with this power receiver and open the switch. Switch is hide here. Here I open the motherboard power supply. Okay, you can see the light, LED light is on. Then I open the power supply to the robotic arms. Okay, you can see the power supply is connected. Then I open the joystick here. You can see up and down, open and close, open and close, turn left, turn right, up and down, up, and slowly open and slowly close, slowly open, close, up. So it will, full servo will give it 4 angles. You can control these robotic arms to just take some bottles, or just to do some demo to other, to show that the robotic arms can use to just scratch something on the ground. So now I will give it a control of backward, forward, turn right, and turn left. And so that's, and so those parts I just bought from online, and just assembled these toys for my son. I think it is more interesting than than the toy, just a toy car you just purchased from the market, because you just create by yourself, and you program. You do the program of the source code. But you can find some useful source code from the GitHub, and you can just do some modification to the source code, and to make it more interesting, and upload to the Arduino motherboard to make it more interesting. Yeah, if you feel this video is interesting, just give a thumb up, and subscribe my channel, and I will provide more videos about the robotic tanks, and maybe I will explain some source code to the Arduino, and to the source code to control the robotic arms, and to control the DC engine, to share the source code. And maybe I will do a program in my next video to talk about the Arduino motherboard, and the extension plate. Yeah.